A change of venue was a positive for the Blackdog team. After a quiet start in the series at Sonoma in the Nissan, Blackdog Racing quickly showed its level of progress after the season opener. Maxroot, filling in for Michael Cooper, was the quickest driver in Pro-Am during both official practice sessions, and he was the fastest qualifier of all GT4 America drivers in Saturday's second of 2 qualifying sessions. Gaples, not to be outdone, qualified second in the first time trial session. That pace carried over to the pair of 1-hour races. The team was able to capture a third-place finish in Saturday's opening GT4 America race, which better prepared them for Sunday.
Tony, you get to see that Nissan right there on pole position. How's the transition to the Nissan going?
I think we figured some things out, and obviously we're on the pole, so hopefully we'll continue with that.
Veteran of this series, Tony Gaples, who put in a great qualifying effort for race 1 yesterday, started in the top 10 overall. Now that car has the best track position you could hope for. Here at Sebring, the race is on. Coming down the front stretch here, and it's Root and Thompson in a drag race on the run down to the opening turn.
Root started from the pole and drove a stormy opening stint.
CrowdStrike fastest lap of the race belongs to Maxroot, quickest in every single sector around this track, and he's turning laps even still to within a tenth or 2 of that fastest lap of the race. He is on rails. So that is the race leader in.
And Gaples followed with an epic drive to win by 11.2 seconds in the number 9 Blackdog Nissan Z Nismo GT4 race car.
Tony Gaples picks up the win. Blackdog Speed Shop back in victory lane.
The win between Tony Gaples and Maxroot, that it'll be the first for Nissan internationally to get in this platform, and it'll forever go to Blackson and Tony for your name to be associated with history for Nissan, for the platform. Just talk about that accolade and what it means for you as someone that's a veteran in racing.
Well, you know, obviously when you're a veteran, it feels good to do it first. And we're proud to do this for Nissan and Blackdog, and really proud to have Max part of it.
Max, you got the call to come join this weekend, and it's someone that is at your part of your career. How important are these wins like this for the resume?
Yeah, they're really special. To be the first winner with Nissan in this series and to do with Tony and Blackdog, it's super special. Sebring's a bumpy place, and Tony did a phenomenal job bringing it home for us today, so super proud of the whole team.
Well done to Blackdog Racing.
Blackdog Racing and the rest of the GT4 America competitors next head to Circuit of the Americas and a 3-hour endurance race, the only one this season.